Welcome to this hands-on guided course on create and bulk upload NFT collection on Opensea with metadata through smart contract. So in this course, we will learn how to create an NFT collection, upload data to IPFS, and we'll also see how we can deploy a smart contract so that we can upload our NFT collection on Opensea. And not only this, I'll also let you know how base designs are organized to create an NFT collection, and I'll also let you know how layers or attributes are placed one after the other so that you don't mess up with your designs. It's very important for you to know this. So if you have your designs ready with you, that's great, but even if you don't have it, for practice, I'll provide you with some sample designs that you can use. Okay, so I'm going to provide those designs in the task 3 of this course. And additionally, if you really want to learn how to create your own designs and layers for creating NFTs, then you can take my course, Create a 10,000 plus NFT collection like CryptoPunks, where you learn to create designs. Okay, so this course is for beginners, so you don't need to have any experience before. So basically, I'll guide you through each and every step so that you'll be able to create an unlimited number of NFT collection on your own, and you'll be able to deploy the smart contract to bulk upload the collection on Opensea. Okay, and let me also tell you, this project is helpful for those who don't want to upload an NFT one by one manually on the Opensea platform, because it's very time consuming task when you try to manually list each NFT on Opensea, because you need to manually upload the image, you need to manually write the title and description for each NFT, which is really a time consuming task. So this project is going to help such learners who want to bulk upload an NFT collection on Opensea. And now, since each NFT price differs from the other, and since we set different prices for rare NFTs and different prices for normal NFTs, so for this price option, you need to manually set it for each NFT in accordance with your trades, okay? Because each NFT is set to a different price. And the advantage of this method is it removes the hassle of uploading each NFT and writing their title, description one by one manually on the Opensea platform. So if this can be done automatically, then why prefer manual process? So that's the point why this course is important. So basically, for this project, we'll see how we can make use of the test network to deploy our NFT collection on Opensea so that we can learn the process of uploading a collection without any cost. Okay, we can make use of a test faucet for this project, but it will be just used for the learning purpose. In order to deploy our NFT collection on the mainnet, it's gonna cost you real balance. So don't worry, I'll let you know how you can shift from the testnet to the mainnet. And after uploading and testing your collection on a test network, if you think everything is okay, then you can just go ahead and deploy your smart contract on the mainnet, which will actually cost you few balance. Okay, so in short, while using a testnet, you do not need to spend anything. You can just follow the same process as mine to bulk upload your collection. But let me tell you, testnet is just used for experimenting and testing purpose. So after you have tested your application, you should always shift from the testnet to the mainnet. It's because mainnet is a live blockchain where its own cryptocurrencies or tokens are in use. So testnet experimentation occurs with valueless test coins, but on the mainnet, coins have real economic value and can be used to complete secure transactions between the users. Okay, so I'll let you know how you can do that. So this project, it is divided into 5 parts. So first, we'll install all the required tools for this project, and then we'll create an NFT collection using Hashlips. Okay, and after that, we'll be working with the NFT metadata, IPFS and Pinata. And after that, we'll be adding a test network to our Metamask wallet, and finally we'll deploy a smart contract to bulk upload the NFT collection on Opensea. So first, we'll work with the installation of tools that is required for this project. So that is, we'll install Node.js, VS Code editor and the Metamask wallet. Okay, and we'll also use the Hashlips art engine. So it's a tool used to create multiple different instances of artwork based on the provided layers. So we'll see how we can work with it to generate an NFT collection. Okay, and after that, we are going to make use of Hashlips to create or to generate our NFT collection in accordance with the layers provided. So then after that, we'll work with the NFT metadata, IPFS and Pinata. That is, we'll be uploading NFT metadata to IPFS using the Pinata API. So built as a simple way to upload files onto the IPFS or the interplanetary file system, Pinata is essentially a platform for moving and securing data through blockchains. So before minting an NFT, you'll normally want to have the asset that will be associated with your token uploaded to IPFS, and with Pinata, it's really easy. Okay, so before you mint an NFT, you'll want to store the content on IPFS and provide the hash to your content in the metadata of the NFT token. So when you add a file to IPFS, the file is split into smaller chunks which are cryptographically hashed and given a unique fingerprint called the content identifier or CID. So when someone goes to access your file via IPFS, they look up this unique fingerprint. The lookup process will access their peer IPFS nodes to see whether they have access to the CID. And once IPFS finds the CID, then the file will be downloaded for use. So the easiest way to upload your content to IPFS is to make use of Pinata. Not only does Pinata enable you to easily place a file onto your own IPFS account, Pinata also provides you with other handy features, so you don't have to become an IPFS expert. Okay? So building the largest pinning service on IPFS, Pinata gives users the ability to upload, manage and share their content whenever, wherever and with whomever they want. So see, we'll work with this later. So creating a collection and working with Pinata will go hand in hand, since we'll work with the content identifier. Okay? And then in the fourth task, we'll add a test network to our Metamask wallet. So it can either be a Polygon test network, or simply we can use the Rinky test network, which you will get by default when you install Metamask. And we'll also see how we can add a test faucet or token so that we don't need to spend our real amount. So we'll be using test network to test our application so that you won't face trouble while deploying it on the mainnet, because it's a very good practice to always check your application on the testnet with the test faucet or tokens. So we'll see how we can do that. And finally we'll make use of the remix ID and we'll deploy our smart contract to bulk upload the collection on Opensea platform. So now let's get started.